Today, I want to highlight something often overlooked but crucial to our overall well-being: our dental health. Oral hygiene is not just about having a bright smile, it is deeply connected to our general health, confidence, and even longevity. Dental problems such as cavities, gum disease, and tooth loss are not just cosmetic concerns. Studies show that poor oral hygiene can contribute to serious health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and respiratory infections. Yet, many of these issues are preventable with simple habits. Brushing twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, flossing regularly, and visiting the dentist for checkups are the foundation of good oral health. A balanced diet also plays a key role. Limiting sugary foods and drinks can prevent decay, while consuming calcium-rich foods strengthens our teeth. However, dental awareness goes beyond personal care. It is also about ensuring access to dental education and treatment for all, especially children and underserved communities. Many people suffer from dental issues simply because they lack awareness or resources. Let us make oral health a priority. By practicing good habits, educating others, and supporting initiatives that promote dental care, we can prevent unnecessary pain and improve quality of life for many. A healthy smile is a reflection of a healthy body. Let's work together to spread awareness and take action for better dental health. Thank you.